Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing in and completing 2FA. This secures your session and lets the dashboard load live feeds. Once done, open either trading or portfolio based on your goal, and make sure to pick a default watch list and time frame like 1M or 1D. That initial choice determines chart layouts and alerts. Then verify your market data sync. If prices are delayed, refresh the connection. You're now ready to scan instruments and prepare an order. Now you analyze. Open multi-pane charts with price, volume, and your indicator such as RSI or moving average to confirm a setup. Next, prepare an order. Choose market, limit, or stop loss, enter quantity, and preview transaction fees and required margin so there are no surprises. Once you place a limit or stop, track its status in the Orders panel. Also set price or percentage alerts so you receive push or SMS notifications when conditions change. Execute your trade and check the Orders and Trades tabs to confirm fills. Then update portfolio allocation and rebalance if needed. Use built-in risk tools, stop loss, bracket orders, and the position size calculator to manage downside and keep exposure within your plan. If a fill fails or data freezes, log out, clear the browser cache or app data, and log back in. If the problem persists, contact support with your order ID and timestamp so they can investigate quickly. That solves most.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.